What's up, everybody? Check this out. We got a brand new farm jack. This is definitely something different. Went to Harbor Freight. I needed one of these for a project. Went to Harbor Freight for this size. It's over $100. This is I'll put it on the screen. I forgot exactly. But the length at Harbor Freight was a lot longer. So I was like, you know what? Let me go online and look at what they got. You're going to save a lot of money online. This is one of the longest, or I should say tallest ones. And you know, it's a farm jack. Pretty cool. It's heavy. I don't have a Jeep or anything like that. I have an Explorer 2023, brand new. It's got all the bells and whistles. Don't think I'll be breaking down anytime soon. Knock on wood, hopefully. But anyway, I got this because I have a shed, a Tuff shed in the backyard. Sure, if you've been following me, you've seen it on a lot of my videos. It's just in the way. It's in an awkward position. That's where I had them install it whenever I first moved to this house 7 years ago. And yeah, I'm going to end up pushing that over to the very end of the yard and moving the swing set beside it. Just got some concrete work done in the back, so we're just rearranging it. It's going to be hard to move that thing. It's 10 by 12 with a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to clear it out. And I watched videos, and this is the best tool to do it with. As you see, it's very low to the ground, so what I'll end up doing is I'll end up digging a small hole beside the shed and kind of under. The cool thing is it has a metal base frame and it's on some blocks, so I'll probably have to dig 2 to 3 inches to slide this under the barn, and I just crank it up. And I already have poles. What you're going to do if you're thinking about doing something like that, you're going to get 2 poles after you jack it up to slide under the barn or the shed. You're going to do the same thing to the other side, and once you get the 2 poles underneath on each side, you're going to get metal fence posts. I'm going to have to get 11 feet to make it work. Jack it up a little bit more, slide the metal fence posts under the barn and on the wood, so that way, literally, I just need to move it 12 feet across the yard, facing the same way, just to the end of the fence. So all I'm going to do is jack it up, put it on the poles, roll it down, put it in its space, and then take the poles out from under it with this jack. So I've never used one of these. I did kind of use it yesterday, but yeah, here it is. I've seen some videos on what could go wrong and how you want to listen to that click and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna demonstrate it and mess with it all right now, but yeah, you get the point. You can reverse it, make it go down, push it the other way, make it go up. Pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to hop on here real quick. I'll leave a link in the description for this if you're thinking about picking one up. And yeah, once I get that barn moving, I'm going to make a video of it, show you what I'm doing, and put that up too. So subscribe and like if you haven't. We'll see you then. Peace.